Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with a recipe video. Some of you have been asking for pudding recipes. In today's video showing you all 2 pineapple dessert items, again from my mom. It's not a thick pudding, nor would I call it a kheer. Depends on how you like it. You could make it thick or a liquid form. Both the desserts include similar ingredients and has quite a similar taste. So let's start. Firstly showing Sago milk pudding. Here I'm using tinned pineapple slices, around 6 to 7 slices. Just draining off the syrup in it. Now slicing each pineapple into small chunks. Now as I'm using tinned pineapple, I can skip this step, but if you're using fresh pineapple, follow this method. Because if you're using fresh pineapple directly into the pudding, it would taste bitter. So to avoid it, follow this step. Into a pan, add the pineapple slices, then goes in 1 or 2 tablespoons of sugar. Heat in low flame till all the water from the pineapple and sugar dries out. This may take maximum up to 15 minutes. Make sure it doesn't burn and keep in low flame. Once ready, take it off and let it cool down. Now into another pan, boil enough water. Now while that's boiling, take 1 cup sago seeds or sabut dana or tapioca seeds, whatever you call it. Add into a bowl. Soak it in water just for 10 minutes or until the water that you have kept for boiling is ready. Then drain the water from it. Add to the hot boiling water. Now keep in mind, as soon as you put into the water, keep stirring it, else it may form lumps or stick to the bottom. You can see the white dots there, it still needs to be completely cooked. Now if you feel the mixture is getting thick, add more boiling water to it. And it's ready now. Pass it through a strainer. Now here is the time to decide whether you need the dessert to be thick or liquidy. If you don't want it to be thick, add some cold filtered water on top of it. Not too much, just a cup and a half. This is to remove the starch from the sago seeds. Now if you want it to be thick, leave it as such. Mix it with a spoon lightly and you can see the cooked sago seeds there. Now add this into a big bowl. Then take condensed milk. Now if you want it to be really very sweet, add 2 tins of 365 grams each, or else just add 1.5 cup, which would be fine. Add your required quantity to the bowl and just a mix. Then add in 2 cups of cold milk. Mix it with a whisk, removing any lumps formed by the sago seeds. Then goes in the pineapple chunks. Now this recipe requires a good crunch, so here I am using 1 cup almonds. Let me show you a tip to peel off the skin fast. Add hot boiling water over the almonds and let it soak for 10 minutes. Then drain the water. Add cold water into it. Now you can easily peel off the skin. Slice it lengthwise. Now add this to the dessert and mix. Then add half to 1 tablespoon of pineapple essence just to give an extra flavor. Now mix well. Cover and chill for at least 4 to 5 hours. Just give a mix before serving. Next is China grass pudding. For this you need China grass. Here we get 25 grams packet. I won't be using this completely, just half of it for this pudding. Soaking it in cold water for some time, say around 10 minutes. Now into a vessel, add water. For 25 grams of China grass, you need to boil 8 cups of water. So if you're using half, then boil 4 cups. To this add quarter cup of sugar. And keep it for boiling. When the water boils, strain the China grass and add it to the boiling water. Let the China grass completely melt in the water. Now it's all melted. So taking it off and let it cool down till it gets set. Then again take pineapple slices around 6 to 7 and chop into chunks. If you're using fresh pineapple, do as I had shown for the previous pudding. Then into a mixing bowl, add 1 tin condensed milk. Then add 1 cup cold fresh milk. Now this is whipping powder. We get in sachets of 36 grams each, adding 4 sachets into the bowl. Then beat well. Now here again is the time to decide the consistency. If you want it to be a liquid form, add 1 more cup of milk and beat, not making it thick. Or keep it as such, making it a creamy texture. Now take the China grass. Here I am using only half of it. The rest I'll store in the fridge for later use. Take a grater with large holes and grate the China grass on it. Now these will look like glass pieces and very delicate. Add the pineapple pieces to it. Then goes in the cream. Give a mix. Add half to 1 tablespoon pineapple essence for extra flavor. You can mix this at the beginning as well. Chill for 4 to 5 hours. Time to serve. Here not adding any nuts, the China grass itself add to the crunch. So that's for today's video. Hope you liked my recipes. If so, please give a thumbs up and do try at home. Don't forget to subscribe, clicking the bell icon for notifications on my updates. Thanks for watching. See you soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.